All right, gang. Welcome back to another Checo Forex stream. Um, Very interesting day on gold today. We got a massive drop all day today. FOMC minutes definitely pushed the market down. So um, I want to dive in and see where we're at. We're currently in this trade. Um, we're in profit. Oh, stops at break even here. Yeah, our stops at break even on this trade, and no, we're risk free. Let's see if it's gonna ride up. We got no top wick on this 1 hour candle here. When this candle ripped down, you know, tapped this level down here. Then we, after the breakout, came back up, retested, dropped, and tested this support level here, which was a point of interest for me to get in the market. And once it consolidated, we got in right when this candle flipped and closed. We got in. So we're currently in profit now. Even though it happened towards the end of the day, we had to hold it over into the next session. So, but let's see. Let's see. We're currently in profit, and let's see if we can bounce back today. All right. So, uh, throughout the last couple of streams, I've been also mentioning about the DXY here, the dollar, and I was mentioning to you that it might want to come back up and retest and then come back down the range, and then it kind of ranged uh, pretty much the last couple of days. And now here we tested, and when we started pulling down, I thought it was the retest, and that's when we are gonna get the breakdown. But it pushed up and closed above. Now we're retesting. So, couple of things to notice here. If we're gonna break out here, now we're retesting. This might want to continue to push up. If that's the case, if this resistance now turns support is gonna hold and continue to push up, then we might be looking at gold to push down. So let's keep an eye on that. If we get stopped out here, if we get a bit more of a run up, I'll probably consider taking partials now. But at this point, we're risk free anyway. So let's just hold it. Let's just hold for now and see. If we break below this level, if we come up, make this push up, and then we come back down and break below this support level here, then I'll be looking to sell it down to this next support level down here. We might be coming down about 23.50, 23.55. We might come down to this level down here. Yeah, you can see we have no bottom wick on the 4 hour. So we got to be careful with that. Might want to come back down and make that bottom wick. Let me see where we're at exactly. Yeah, we're pretty high up. I'm gonna take partials here. Yeah, I'm taking partials here at 40 pips. At 45 pips. And the reason why I took the partials here, 40 pips is, solid profit, but we have no bottom wick. So this thing can push up, make a top wick and flip and come down. If we break support here, then I'll look to target the next range down here. Yeah, we're probably going to come down to this level here. It could be Well, we got this level first, 23.55, as I said, and then we got 23.44. Let me mark those now just to have that ready here. And for now, we'll watch and see what this wants to do here. We're in profit, guys. You know, right now, look, we're up 50 pips now at this point. 52, 53 pips running. Good. I already took partials at 45 pips. Now we just hold and see what happens. If this thing runs up, that's good. But remember, we have no bottom wick on this 4 hours, so this could be a top wick for this thing to flip back down. So yeah, NASDAQ is running here. So this candle had no top wick. Came up, made the top wick, but then closed with no top wick. Here we pushed down, pushed up, made the top wick, closed above resistance, and now we're running up. So let's see. No bottom wick here, no bottom wick here. Still pushing. We're up 60 pips, guys. We're still holding. we have to expect this 4 hour to come down and make a bottom wick at. I mean, then again, we've seen a lot of candles run with no wicks, but we got the nice push to the upside here. Now we should probably come down, make a bottom wick. Not sure if we'll break this level. We might remain above, but again, remember, if we break below this level, then there's a good chance we're gonna run down. What's up, Danny? I see you tuned in, brother. I appreciate you. Waiting to see if gold's gonna run up here, or is it gonna break below? Yeah, we tapped out here at this wick from our entry. We're up 61 pips. Now we're getting a little bit of a pullback here, but our stops are at break even, so we should be good. We're risk free. We already took partials on this trade as well, so we secured our profits already. So this is just a runner. We'll hold it and see if it runs up. And let's not forget this. Let me just zoom into this. If you guys remember this candle right here, when it tapped us out right at our stop loss by like less than a pip, we got stopped out, and look at how it flew all the way up. We had that buy there, we held it. We got in around was it 23.83? Was it? Yeah, it was at the break of the high. So we got in around 23.83, somewhere around here. And once we broke the highs, um, we sat in some drawdown, and then this candle stopped us out and then flipped. I think it was 23.83 was our entry on that. Yeah, we had this candle with no bottom wick, so it took a few days for this thing to come back down and make that bottom wick. But yeah, we got this runner here, no bottom wick though. But let's see if we can push up and we can trail our stop loss as we go. But I'm expecting a bottom wick on this candle. But there's 38 minutes left on this current 4 hour, also on the 1 hour, and then this 1 hour that ripped down this morning around. I think this is the 10 o'clock candle. Yeah, this candle, just ripped. And this candle had no bottom wick, and you see how this kind of wick made the bottom wick. And when it started pulling up, um, I was hoping that we would have closed above this level here, but we failed to close above, and then the next candle just ripped down and had no top wick. So, if this is the move up now, not to say we won't come back and retest support and then bounce back. If gold comes down and takes us out at our break even, we'll see how it reacts at this level. Because if we get a break of this support level, then we're gonna be looking for positions to continue down. But if we respect this level here, we can look for entries again somewhere in this shaded purple box here, and then catch another entry to move up. Hopefully, make a top wick here. So let's see. take a quick look at Bitcoin for you guys that crypto lovers out there. Oh, we had some bearish movement finally here. No bottom wick here on this 4-hour candle for Bitcoin. Yeah, we might see Bitcoin come down and retest, create a bottom wick here, but also retesting how it broke above that resistance level here. We got that nice closure and then the rip. I probably would have stayed out of this move. Looking at it now, we did get the closure. As you can see here, this candle did close above, had a small top wick, but at a bottom wick here. But this candle, for me to have gotten in on this trade, I would have needed a bottom wick here and then the flip up. But here it just ripped up with no bottom wick. Yeah, I probably would have stayed out of this movie anyway. But Bitcoin drove up and it tapped out at what was this 70, 71.96, almost 72. And now has since came down, made this low, came up, made a lower high, and now took out these lows here. Closed below. If you mark this up, this thing, it's possible that, see, Bitcoin formed this support here and then came up, came down, retested, pushed up, made the lower high, and then as it came down, you see it closed below this minor support level. So now this candle's making a top wick here to probably continue down. So if you want to take a trade on Bitcoin, for example, I would take it at the break of the lows here and then for it to drive down. So we'll look something like this. I'll put the entry at the break of the low. Big spreads on Bitcoin. So I'll put the entry probably around 800. It'll be something like that. Yeah. Probably be about 7. TP will be about 67, 380. Yeah, stop loss. I'll definitely keep my stops above previous candle highs, so probably around there, 70,060. It's not a bad trade on Bitcoin. If it takes out the previous 4-hour lows, it should continue to drive and fill the range, especially with this candle having no bottom wick. We might get the push down and fill the range, get the bottom wick, and then continue up perhaps. But right now, it closed below this support level. So you guys that want to trade Bitcoin, this is a good little setup right here. We got about excuse me, about 30 minutes for this candle to close here. You can still get that bottom wick, especially if it flips towards the end of the candle closure, and a flip and a closure below the support level will be huge, especially if it takes out the previous 4-hour lows. Then we'll be looking for sell positions down to fill the range down here. Yeah, the daily close strong bearish. But even on the daily, you know, we could see a bottom wick, maybe tap into this level and then flip and close bullish. You know, that's possible, and then we'll get that continuation up. This is just a correction to that move. See this move up? This is just a correction, and the impulse to continue upwards. But this could have been it. This could have been it right here, and then it'll fly up. But I'd like to see a bottom wick here. Probably later tonight, maybe in another hour or so, we'll see some more volume. We usually see the volume kick in somewhere between 9 and 9:30, 9 and 10 o'clock or so. We get most of the volume at this during this session. So let's see what happens. 25 minutes to this candle closure, and like I said, we still have no bottom wick, but 25 minutes, this thing could come down, make a bottom wick. Yeah, tomorrow should be a big day as well. Tomorrow we got news, 8:30 unemployment claims, and 9:45 we have, what is it? Flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI. So yeah, we'll see a lot of volume tomorrow morning in the market as well. Um, that's pretty much it for the rest of the. Well, we got news Friday 10 a.m. We got some orange folders 8:30 in the morning on Friday. So, but for now, tomorrow, unemployment claims and flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI. Well, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, the London session is going to be pretty exciting tonight as well. A lot of news for the euro dollar and for the British pound as well. Oh, we have new home sales. That's an orange folder, 10 o'clock. So yeah, plenty of news tomorrow. So we should see a lot of volatility. A lot of volatility. Yeah, so we're expecting the forecast for unemployment claims is expected to come in lower. But let's see. We'll see. Almost there, gang. Almost there. About 16 minutes left. Let's be patient. Let's see. Let's wait for candle closures and see what our next move would be. It wouldn't be bad to break this support level down here and just drive down. Maybe retest this low down here and then bounce back up. That would be nice. Not only will we catch the sell down, but that buy would be huge because it's gonna push up to a new all-time high. Once it ends this correction here. Is that the? Let me see something. That the? Yeah, look at that. That's the previous weekly low. So it's not crazy to think that this candle come down, tap this level, and flip up. But it's already Wednesday. But it's possible that we'll get some bearish movement maybe next week. Then we'll get the bottom wick to tap into this level, and then towards the end of the week it'll flip up, or next week it'll close bearish, and then we'll hold this level here, and then continue and make a new high. Because you see on the weekly, we got this high, then we got the low, then we got a higher high, then we're gonna come back down here and probably make a lower high. I'm sorry, a higher low. Apologize, a higher low here, and then continue up. So let's see, let's see. I don't know if that there's enough time in the week left to make this whole move down. I mean, we need a hard drop to come down that far, but anything's possible. But yeah, we might come back and retest the weekly lows here before we flip. As he was starting to come down here in the 4 hour. A little over 10 minutes left. Now we're gonna come back down, make this bottom work here, but let's see. All right, gang. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Yeah, we got about 2 minutes left to this candle, but is it gonna flip? Hmm. All right, guys, we got a candle. Wow, look at that. Never flipped. Hmm. How's that look over here? Man, didn't make the bottom wick here. Yeah, no bottom wick, guys. So we're still on the wait. I'm gonna wait. This thing could still flip, but yeah, I thought it was gonna flip bearish, but it pulled down though. It came down, but let's see. This one kind of pulled up right away. If this candle can come down, make the bottom wick here, and then flip up, that's good news is we still close in the range here. We close respecting the support level. So again, we might get a top bottom wick and then the flip up. So let's see. We need a steeper bottom wick. Need a steeper bottom wick there. Yeah, this wick here. mm, If we wick up and excuse me, wick above. I apologize. If we wick above this previous 4 hour here, I'll take profit on the buy and then I'll catch a sell on the flip. But let's see. Or are we just gonna come down and break the lows? Either way, our trade is risk free, so I'll wait and see. Let me see how it's gonna play out first. Yeah, we break the 4 hour highs. Because we still have no bottom wick on the previous 4-hour candle, I'll look for an entry here. Possibly maybe the well, let me wait first. I'm just gonna wait. If we get a steeper wick, let me look, keep myself here on the 4-hour. I want to see if we get a top wick up here, take out these highs, and then we catch the flip down. So I'll be closing my buys up here if we flip up. Mind you, no bottom wick on this 4-hour here as well. It's not a bad top wick. Well, let's see if we're gonna come up. This thing wants to push down. Well, that's fine too. It wants to push down. All right, it goes the bottom wick. Yeah, there we go. We're coming down. All right, guys. I hit break even on my runner here. So we're done with that. Now let's see what's gonna happen at this level here. Are we gonna break below or are we gonna hold here? Yeah, I made a bottom wick for this candle here as well. All right, let's see. This thing could still want to flip and run up. I'm gonna watch this 1 hour. Came down here, pushed up. This could close. If we get a closure below support, again, we're looking for opportunities to sell. But if this candle in the next 43 minutes can come down and flip, if it re-breaks its own high here, I'm getting in. So I'm gonna have an entry at the break of this minor support level here. Either way, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait on that. Hold on one sec. I want to see if we can come down here, respect that, and then still flip up. But it, we could see the 1 hour flip and re-break its own high, and then we can get in off the rip. But let me be patient. I want to wait a little bit. About 40 minutes left on this candle. We got some time. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna close below or are we gonna reflip and take out the high. All right, chat. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna take care of something right quick. I'll be right back. Whoa, ho, ho. Yo, came back and gold is bleeding. Holy moly. All right, guys, let's see if we get this breakout here on the retest. Wow. This is nice. This is very nice. We got all this clean traffic down to this level down here. All right, we got 30 minutes to this 1 hour. We're gonna take this 1 hour breakout if it doesn't flip back into the range. If it flips back into the range, then we could still look for potential buys here too. I marked this little minor resistance level here. You know, I was expecting if we were to flip and break the highs, we were going to continue up, but it looks like we want to continue down. So yeah, it looks like we got a ways to go. This thing can. And this resistance that it formed here was this support here and this resistance right here. And this is where we broke out of that same level there. This is where we got that breakout right here to drive up to this top right here. So let's see. It's a pretty significant level right here. So I'll leave that marked up there. We're going down, we're going down, we're going downtown. But um, it's only gonna set up the buys for us on the way back up. So this is looking great. This is looking good. We can capitalize on the sells, great. If not, either way, we're good. We're good either way. In order to make this valid, also we need a bottom wick here. We don't want this to close without a bottom wick. So let's wait and see. See what it's gonna do here. Yeah, you see, look at that. It's 9:30. This is where we got the bulk of the volume. Look at all this volume. A nice drive downward. So, usually the volume kicks in around this time. Was there any news that I missed here? Just in case. Nope. No, no, I'm not looking for buys right now. I'm not looking for buys at the moment, guys. For those asking, we just got to break a support now. But candle hasn't closed. Like I said, a little over 20 minutes, anything can happen. This thing can flip back into the range. But if we close and remain below this major support level, probably on the retest, I'll be looking to come down. The wick was pretty steep here, so if we um, let's see, what's the yeah, we have this. It's still below this level here. So if we get this candle to remain below, if we close below, I'm taking the sell down. That'll be a good risk reward ratio as well. Depending on the wick, and like I said, as long as we close below the range here, we're in good shape. So we're respecting that. I moved it down to this top right here for the 1 hour. Now I'm focused on the 1 hour. Catch this breakout. Gold is just crazy. Gold is crazy. All right, guys, 15 more minutes. Let's see what this 1 hour is gonna do. We're gonna close below, or we're gonna flip back into the range. If we flip back into the range, I'm calling it a stream, guys. But if we get this closure below, um, I'll definitely look to sell. What's up, man? We made a bottom wick for this candle right here as well, so didn't have one. So there you go. It's the bottom wick right there. I haven't forgotten we don't have a top wick on this 1 hour from 10 o'clock this morning. So, you know, we got the drop, we got this impulse, correction, impulse, correction. Now we got another impulse. Let's see if we're gonna keep driving down and fill the range. If we close below, we're probably gonna come down to this level here. A lot of news tonight. A lot of news for London session tonight. So by the time we wake up tomorrow morning, we're gonna have had gold move a lot. I'm assuming. All right, guys, I'm gonna be looking for an entry here soon. 5 minutes left. I'm looking to enter around 23.73. Should be my entry more or less. The stops are gonna be above the previous candle, previous 1 hour candle. So I'm having my stops around 23.83, and then my TP is gonna be at the bottom of the range here, right around 23.56. But I'll probably look to take partials at the wick fill here on 23.67, more or less. All right, gang, 40 seconds. I'm getting it off the rip here, guys. So Be ready. Entry should be right around 23.74, 73.74. Ten seconds. All right, guys, I'm in. I took a sell here. Market execution. We closed below off the 1 hour. We caught this breakout here. So I'm in at around, I got in at 23.74. Stops are above previous 1 hour highs right up here. Take profit is at the bottom of the range here. So let's see. I'll look to take partials probably, yeah, probably at this wick fill here. for the 1 hour. We got the breakout off the 1 hour here. And then also now the new candle opened up, no bottom wick, pulling up to make a top wick. Should catch that flip down. Again, I'm looking to take partials at the wick fill here and then hold the runner down to fill the range down here. All right. There's the drop, guys. Nice. Nice drop down. We got a nice solid move there to the downside. If we go 40 pips, I'm moving stop losses to break even. As a matter of fact, bring stop losses down. I'm gonna put it right at the break of the current 1 hour high. So we just minimized our risk from about 90 pips down to about 21 pips. So we lowered our risk, and now we're just holding this trade. We're currently up about 30 pips, huh? So you know what? I still believe this thing is going to come down, at least fill this wick here, but I'm going break even now. All right, we're risk free on this trade, so I'll just hold it, see what happens. I'm expecting a bigger push down. We should feel this wick down here. Yeah, if we re-break the low here, the current 1 hour low, we should get a stronger drive down. Let's see. We're break even at this point, so we're risk free in this trade anyway. So let's see. Let's see if we'll get the push down that we're looking for, and then we can look to take some partials and secure some profits. We're gonna get the drive down. We already broke support, closed below, came up, made a top wick. You should see this continuation down, but let's see. If we don't hit BE here, I should expect this to continue to run down again to at least this wick fill here. Here we go. Yeah, we're pretty good. We're up about 20, 28 pips at the moment. So we can keep pushing down. All right, we're pushing down, guys. Here we go. Again, simple breakout trade off the 1 hour. Once we came up to retest here, we got this strong push, and once we closed below here, obviously have that bottom wick, have that top wick. Once we came down, when it pushed up and retested, we got in right here around 20, was it 23.74, and now we're catching the drive down. Again, I'm expecting at the very least this wick to get filled down here around 23.67, and then I'll see if I want to hold that runner down to fill the range here, but we got a long way down here. Clean traffic with this breakout. So there's no reason why gold shouldn't come down to fill the range here, unless it flips back and pushes back into the range. But either way, we're already break even, so we're risk free in this trade. I just want to see how it's going to play out. Are we going to get tapped out, or is it going to come down and fill the wick? Okay, yeah. So here you see it on the 15-minute. We got this breakout, retest, comes down. This candle closes down, comes up, retest, and now we get the flip down. So, you can kind of see it on the 15-minute as well, but I played it off the 1 hour. This was a 1 hour breakout. And now we're currently running about 21 pips in profit. So let's see. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Come on. Give us that push down. break the lows here, we should see a strong push down. Almost there. We got about a half hour left, guys, here. This 30-minute candle. I'll wait for that closure to occur. Hopefully we'll get that drive down. We got to break the current candle lows, though, to continue that push down. Unless we get stopped at B within the next 30 minutes. But let's see what happens. Keep a close eye on this candle here. There we go. Coming down now, guys. Come on. Come on, go. Want this drive down. Break the low. Give me the push down. Give me that wick fill. Guys, if you took this trade with me, make sure your stops are break even. Um, I'll wait to see how this candle closes out. Is it going to flip up? Is it going to push down? Either way, I'll wait for this candle closure and I'll call it a stream. Now we're driving back down. Let's see if we get that push now. 24 minutes left on the candle. Let's see if we get that push. If it re-breaks its own low, it should continue to drive down. That 30-minute low. Let me take a look at it real quick. Why is this thing lagging? Come on. Here we go. Yeah, we just rebroke the 30-minute lows. All right, so that should be, yep, we took the low down here. We should be driving, guys. Atta girl. There you go. Give me that drive. Yeah. Takes that wick fill there. Yeah, we rebroke the low, so we should get a drive down. Woo! We flying, guys. We are flying. We are flying. Guys, I took partials there. Closed my partials. at 51 pips. There we go. Once we rebroke the low, I told you guys we're gonna get that drive. We're gonna get the push down. We should get this wick fill here. I took partials, guys, so this is a good time to take some profits. Make sure you secure something. Take your partials, close 50%, 75% of your positions now if you haven't done so already. We had a nice push down on gold here. Fell short of the wick fill, but we got a nice push down. We were able to secure some solid profits. Got my runner going here. We got 20 minutes on the candle. I'll stay here for these 20 minutes. See if we're gonna drive down or are we gonna flip back up. But yeah, we secured 51 pips on that drop there, so not bad at all. Not bad. This was a good breakout trade from our playbook setup. As you guys know, I've taught you this before. Once we get the break, once a candle closes below that support level, you know, first we make sure we have a top and a bottom wick. Then we wait for the top wick to be formed, and then the flip back down. In this case, we got in once it started pulling up to make this top wick. We took our entries here, right below this support level here, and then we got the flip down. Are we gonna fill the wick? Got 18 minutes left. I think overnight we're probably going to see a bigger push down. I mean, we stretch this out. I mean, it's a big drop down here. We're talking about 200 pips on the way down here. We break that level, then we got another heavy drop down here, which is another 20. This could be a potential 400 pip drop if we come down and retest this. But with this level here, these are the this is the weekly low down here. So I don't know. I have the feeling like we're gonna tap this level here, and then that's when we're gonna start reversing. But anyhow, we do break below, and this is our potential target down here. Yeah, you see, this is what I'm talking about here. If you see this, this weekly candle opened up, we ripped up, made a new all-time high, and now we completely flipped bearish. And then the weekly low is down here at this area around that 2330 range. So we might want to come back down and excuse me, retap the weekly low. But the candle opening, so this was last week's open around 2360. So we might come down here and then flip back up. But because the weekly candle is so heavily bearish, I'm not sure. I mean, unless again we got heavy news coming in tomorrow, not sure if there's enough time for the weekly to reflip bullish this week. But we might get this drop here, you know, test these levels down here, maybe re-break the weekly lows, last week's lows, and then catch the flip up. So it's possible. Let's see. Yeah, we're still pushing down. We're currently up 50 pips on this trade. So I just want to see how this 1 hour is gonna close. Are we gonna take out the wick here? That's what I'm waiting on. Um, and it's my runner. I already closed my about what was it 80% of my position already at 51 pips in profit. I just want to see if my runner can come down and if we we fill the wick here, I'll probably just close out full and call it a night. But if not, like I said, stop loss are break even. I might just let it run and see what happens. Yeah, it's close. It's close, but it just need a little bit more. How far are we from there? Practically nothing. Man, we missed it by like, what was that? Yeah, 21 pips. All right, we got about 8 minutes on this candle. Let's just I'm gonna wait and see. We can fill the wick in the next 8 minutes. We fill the wick. I'm closing full, and I'm calling it a stream, guys. Either way, wick fill or not, once this candle closes, I'm probably gonna be ending the stream at that point. Either way, we're well in profit. You know, you guys should have secured profits. If you haven't done so, do that now. Make sure your stops are risk-free, break even. You know, you can put them, 8 to 10 pips in profit as well. You know, just trail it. There we go. Uh-oh, here we go. We're gonna get that push. Yeah, we came close. We're about 11 pips from filling that wick, but didn't get enough of a push here. But we'll see. Because what my guess is, once this candle closes, um, unless we get a rip down right off the bat from the next candle, we might get the next candle to come up to make a top wick, and we'll probably hit our break even. So I'll see. I might close full here regardless. I mean, we didn't get the push down, but we're definitely up about 50 pips on this trade either way. So we'll see. Probably just close out full and call it a night, but maybe we'll get the wick fill in the next 5 minutes. And 2 minutes left on this candle, guys. I don't know. Looks like, looks like we're gonna come up short. One last quick push here in the last seconds of the candle, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, on the 30-minute didn't re-break yet. Once it broke the lows, it just came down. This is the wick I wanted to fill down here. Again, either way is fine. We're currently at the current price now. We're still up 50 pips or so. So still a good solid trade either way. I'm sure, like I said, you guys should have taken some partials. If you wanted to close full, you could have closed full at 50 pips as well. Or just hold your runner here. If you close your partials and your stop losses are break even as well, you should be fine. I'm just waiting to see if we get the wick fill. All right. Less than a minute left here on this candle. Let's see what we're going to get. All right, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we didn't break. All right, guys, I closed full there. I closed my full position at that point there. That's fine. Close it at 49 pips. Yeah, this candle is possible. It might come up, make a top wick before it continues down, but this one failed to fill the wick here. That's still a wick to fill there, so you might get the push down now. All right, guys, but that's it for me here tonight. Again, I appreciate you guys coming through tonight, hanging out with me. We took that nice trade there towards the end of the stream. You know, we were patient. We waited for the breakout, and once we got the breakout, we got our playbook set up. We executed, and we were rewarded nicely for it. So, thanks a lot, guys, for hanging out with me tonight. And we're done here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone.